Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update GTM containers for better conversion events, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. Select the appropriate container that you want to update. Navigate to the Tags section in the left-hand menu. Identify the tags associated with your conversion events. Click on the tag that you wish to modify. Review the current trigger settings for this tag. Ensure that the trigger corresponds to the desired conversion action. If necessary, create a new trigger by clicking on the Triggers option in the left menu. Choose New to start creating a new trigger. Select the type of trigger that matches your conversion goal, such as page view or click. Fill in the required details based on your conversion criteria. Once done, save the new trigger. Return to your modified tag and attach the new trigger. If you have multiple conversion events, repeat the process for each one. Next, go to the Variables section to see if any changes are needed. Consider adding or adjusting user-defined variables related to your conversions. After making adjustments, navigate to the Preview mode. Enable Preview to test your changes in real time. Access your website to ensure that the updated tags fire correctly. Monitor the console for any errors or issues during this test. If everything looks good, exit Preview mode. Now, go to the Submit button in the top right corner of your GTM interface. Add a version name and description for your changes. Confirm the submission by clicking on Publish. Finally, check your analytics platform to verify that the updated conversion events are tracking correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.